Add the exclusive look and feel of the Shelby GT350R with the steering wheel from that track-focused model from Ford Performance Parts. The factory steering wheel on this 2018 Mustang GT Premium lacked the grip and style we wanted. The GT350R steering wheel is a direct replacement for the factory steering wheel and features Alcantara leather, red stitching, and a centering stripe. It accepts the Mustang GT controls, switches, and airbag, so you don't have to make any compromises. Installation is easy. We'll show you how. First, disconnect the battery and let the airbag system discharge for at least 2 minutes. Next, insert an Allen key 40 mm into the holes of the sides of the wheel to depress the springs inside and release the airbag assembly from the steering wheel. Disconnect the connectors behind the airbag and set it aside. Unplug the gray connector at the top of the wheel. If your wheel is heated, there's also another connector at the bottom. Remove the steering wheel bolt. Remove the factory steering wheel from the column, being careful not to let the clock spring rotate. Thread the harness through the GT350R steering wheel and position it on the column. Torque the steering wheel bolt to 35 pound-feet and reconnect any gray harnesses. Swap the switches and controls from the standard GT wheel to the GT350R steering wheel. Use a plastic pry tool to remove the switches. The connectors are all color-coded to avoid getting them confused. Reconnect the airbag and horn harness and snap the airbag back into place. That's it. The GT350R steering wheel was just the ticket to give this Mustang GT a performance look and feel.